Hello everyone, I'm Sansana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to teach you the lab assignment questions of ddco, which stands for Digital Design and Computer Organization. This is for third sem and the subject course code is BCS 302. Before going into lab assignment questions, let me tell you what is Digital Design and Computer Organization. So digital design refers to the visual communication. It refers to the visual communication which presents information about the electronic devices to the user. It will provide the information about electronic devices to the user. Electronic devices such as computer, tablet or mobile phones. Digital design will tell the user how the buttons, texts, images and other digital elements are positioned in the electronic devices, and it will account for how users interact with the end product, which includes optimizing how a design appears on and how the designs are adapted to the screens of different sizes. Okay, so this is about digital design. And what is computer organization? So computer organization will tell the structure and behavior of a computer system in user point of view as seen by the user. It tells the information or structure and behavior of the computer system according to user point of view, and it will tell or it will deal with the components of a connection in a system, how the components are connected and arranged in the system, how the components are arranged and interconnected in the system. Okay, so this is all about digital design and computer organization. And the next thing is stimulation using Linux software. I'm using Linux software to execute all the lab assignment questions. So let me tell you how to use it. These are the 8 steps which are to be followed to execute the questions or execute lab assignment questions in Linux software. So open the Linux software, select new project, give name to your project, select HDL and then click on next button, then select Spartan 3 and then select file, give name to your file, then select Verilog module and click on next button. And the third step and the fourth step is enter module name or the file name and click on next button and finish. Then select the source file, type the code that you want to execute and check the syntax of your code. If it is having any error, it will display the wrong red mark beside the syntax. If it is correct, if the program that you have typed is correct, then it will give the green right mark. Then change from implementation to stimulation, then select Verilog file and select stimulate behavior model stimulator and click on values or give values to your inputs, then click on run icon and note down the input and output wave function. This is in brief. Let me tell you in detail about how to use it. So here this is the first display. Select 64-bit project navigator and as soon as you click on it, you'll get the display like the second one. So display like this. Here you can see file and in the file select new project. As soon as you select the new project, you will be getting the display like the third one. It will be asking to give the name to your file, give name to your file and make sure that this is HDL. Okay, and click on next button. And the fourth step is give or select Spartan 3 in the family and select Verilog or VHDL in Stimulate and click on next button, then click on finish button. So this fifth display is about your project. It will tell the project name, it will tell the project path, in which drive, in which folder, in which directory you have saved it. Directory path will be displayed. And the sixth display is it is asking you to save the file or give name to your file. Here it will be displaying the project name that you saved. Click on that. Here select new source. New source will ask you to give the name to your file, give name to your file and switch on this add to project and select Verilog module and click on next button, and then again you have the display like the eighth one and select next, then click on finish button. Ninth display is again the information about your file, the name of your file and the path of your file, source directory of your file. Then the next display is like this. Write the code that you want to execute and select and gate, or the file, the and gate is the file name that I have given. So select the file that you have given, and in syntax xst you'll have the options like this. In that you'll have check syntax. Check the syntax of your program or the code that you have written. If it is in the red wrong mark, then your program is having some error. Debug the program and recheck the syntax. If it is right green mark, then your program is having no error. Then change the implementation to stimulation and select the file and select stimulate behavior model. Okay, then you'll have the display like this wave function, and make sure that all the values here are in microseconds. Okay, and give values to your inputs. Here A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. On clicking on A, you'll have the options like this. So here you can see force constant. So click on force constant, and you'll have the display like this, and make sure that value radix is binary, and value to force value give 1 or 0, whatever you want, and click on OK button. Then you'll have the display like this. Carry on the same procedure for other inputs that you have given, and you'll have the display like this. Click on run icon which is present here, and this is the output of your program. You can see here there are two types of lines. One is solid line and another one is a normal line. So solid line indicates that the value is 1, whereas the normal line indicates that the value is 0. Okay, then this is all about how to use the Linux software and how to execute the program. In my next video, I'll be explaining you the contents of lab assignment. Keep watching my videos for more updates. Subscribe my channel, and thank you.